Hello guys, now we are going to show the checkout tracking, okay, through the Google Tag Manager. So if I click on the checkout button, so it will fire a event actually name the begin checkout, okay. So we'll receive the event name begin checkout, just copy, then create a trigger, okay. So new trigger, custom event, name the begin checkout, okay. Name the trigger, begin checkout, just save. Now create a tag, new tag, okay. It's for GA4 measurement ID. I have created it constant variable, then event name begin checkout, okay. Now add the parameter. Let's check the Google recommended parameter begin checkout, okay. Currency value item. For my cases I don't have any coupon, that's why I will not make a coupon variable, just I will send these three event parameter, okay. First one, just copy the currency, sorry, currency, next items, and next value, okay. Just add the parameters. First one is value, second one items, and last one currency, okay. Now trigger, begin checkout trigger, okay. GA4 begin checkout tag, save. Now go to the preview section, it's connecting, yeah, connected. Add to cart, view cart, and then view item, add to cart, and now checkout. Yeah, checkout tag fire, okay. This actually sequential video. First you should see the view item tag, then add to cart tag, then begin checkout, okay. Next I will show the purchase. Thank you.